What's up, YouTube? This your boy CJ, Say Sauce Mighty, aka Corey Johnson. I'm here with my first video of Tuesday, January 19th, 2021. And I'm going to be showing you guys some Legos I built. And these two are horror vehicles from horror films. The first one is I'm doing this in yearly order. The first one is going to be the Duel Truck from 1971. This is my version. This did take a lot of Legos to build. And I mean a lot. Yes, I know on the side is supposed to say flammable, but that really says tomater. Unfortunately. But yeah, I think this really looks good. I don't know about your guys' opinion. The next one is from the 1977 film The Car. And this is, in fact, the vehicle that showed up, except I gave it red headlights to make it seem a bit more eviler. And, yeah, I honestly like this, in my opinion. It's a very very beautiful Lego build. And this actually was based off of a Lego mock. Also, Siren Head was also based off of a Lego mock. Except I kind of, did my own version, for the most part. So yeah, that's the car from the 1977 film. And, yeah. So far, I've made two Lego film things. One of RoboCop and two iconic 1970s horror vehicle films. Yeah. And yes, I actually have seen The Car. Just so you guys know, I have seen that film. And believe me, I do like that film very much. I have seen it. I haven't seen Duel, though. But I know a lot about Duel now. The Duel Truck I built on my own. The car was kind of based off of a Lego mock, except with my own Legos. And yes, I did use two Creo pads, but it's still Lego. Most of it's Lego. Those are the only two I could really find that's Creo, at least. But yeah. And since the car was really easy to build, I will actually show you guys how to build it. So, yeah. If I could take it apart easily. Okay, so one thing for certain you'll need from this build is the barbecue burnout fire truck, at least for this part, the tires included, and this part as well. And here is how you build it. So you're going to take this Creo pad, put it right here. You're going to take this windshield and put it right there. You're going to put this back piece and put it back here. Now the back piece looks short, so hold on, if I could. You're going to need a piece like this. Oh crap, if I could put it. And this is where the second Creo piece comes in. You're not done yet. You need this for the bumper piece, the front bumper piece. You need 2 of these, red or clear, for the headlights. And you need at least 1 of these for the radiator. And then you also got the back. You'll need this for the back bumper. And you will need 4 of these. Alright, let me make sure. Okay. Notice how it's bare back here. You will put those 4 down there. Now, you could either do 4 of those, or, 2 of the 4x1s as well. And voila, there is your the Car 1977 Lego build. So yeah. I'm not going to show you guys how to build the dual truck because, like I said, it did take a lot of Lego bricks to build. And I mean a lot. This thing was hard to build. And just by looking for Legos, it was hard to build. Same with the car. I mean, even though it didn't take that much Legos to build it. Oh. You want to charge at the screen like that again? I'm pretty sure that almost gave me a heart attack. Did that? Let me know in the comments if the car almost gave you a heart attack. And one more thing. Before I go, yes, I did mention I'm going to be offline for a while on Discord for those of you who are on my Discord. But that only applies for any social media other than YouTube. I'll be on YouTube because, that's my thing. So, yeah. And be expecting a stop motion of these 2. Yes, I know I did one with Hot Wheels, but technically those weren't really, the real deal. These are, in fact, the real deal. In Lego. Anyways, that's the video. Please sure to like, comment, subscribe, and clear tap on the notification bell to notify videos. And I'll see you guys next video. Please, homegirls out there watch the YouTube video, and let me know which one of these 2 you like the most, the car or the dual truck.